The moment you decide to destroy the old version of yourself, discomfort appears. Stoicism teaches that this discomfort is not a sign of failure but proof of growth. The old you was built from habits, fears, excuses, and borrowed opinions. It survived, but it did not truly live. To rebuild yourself, you must first accept that who you were is no longer useful for where you are going. This is not self-hatred. It is self-respect. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that every day offers a chance to become better, but only if we let go of what no longer serves us. Rebuilding yourself alone does not mean rejecting the world. It means refusing to let the world define you. Stoicism teaches of mind. When you stop seeking validation, you reclaim your power. Most people remain stuck because they are afraid of being misunderstood. The Stoic path demands courage to walk alone before you walk strong. Solitude is not punishment. It is the forge where clarity is formed. The destruction of the old self begins with brutal honesty. You must look at your life without excuses. Where are you weak? Where are you undisciplined? Where do you blame others for what you refuse to fix? Epictetus taught that suffering comes not from events, but from our judgments about them. If your life feels heavy, your thinking may be the weight. Changing your inner dialogue is the first quiet revolution. No one will applaud you for this work, and that is why it matters. To rebuild yourself, discipline must replace motivation. Motivation is emotional and unreliable. Discipline is calm and consistent. Stoicism teaches mastery of impulse. You do not wait to feel ready. You act because it is right. You train your body, sharpen your mind, and control your reactions not to impress others, but to respect yourself. Each small act of discipline is a brick laid in the foundation of your new identity. Loneliness will visit you during this transformation. The old you had company because it tolerated what it should have rejected. As you rebuild, some people will disappear. Stoicism prepares you for this reality. Seneca warned that attachment to the approval of others enslaves the soul. When you choose growth, comfort leaves. When comfort leaves, strength arrives. Learn to enjoy your own company. In silence, you will hear your true voice again. The Stoic understands that pain is not an enemy. It is a teacher. Hardship reveals character. When life tests you, do not ask why it is happening. Ask what it is teaching. The rebuilding process requires endurance. You will fail at times. You will doubt yourself. This does not mean you are broken. It means you are human. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It is about being unshaken. Rebuilding yourself alone means setting standards that do not change based on who is watching. You wake up early because it aligns with your values. You speak truth because integrity demands it. You walk away from chaos because peace is power. The Stoic life is simple but not easy. You focus only on what is within your control and release everything else. This clarity creates freedom. As the old you fades, a new calm emerges. You stop reacting to every insult. You stop chasing attention. You stop explaining yourself to those committed to misunderstanding you. This is Stoic strength, quiet confidence, inner stability. You become reliable to yourself. That is the highest form of trust. When you keep promises to yourself, your self-respect grows. The rebuilt self does not seek revenge or validation. It seeks excellence. You improve because it is your duty to use your potential. Marcus Aurelius wrote that wasting your ability is an injustice to nature. Every day is an opportunity to align your actions with virtue. Courage, discipline, wisdom, and justice become your compass. With these, you do not need approval. If this message resonates with you, it means you are already changing. The desire to rebuild is proof that the old version of you is ready to be left behind. Do not rush the process. Do not announce it, let your consistency speak. Become so solid within yourself that chaos can no longer move you. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel. This space is for those who choose discipline over comfort and growth over excuses. Stay with us, and continue rebuilding the strongest version of yourself through Stoic wisdom.